guys, and welcome to Mardi Gras week. If you know me at all, you guys know that we have traveled to New Orleans a couple of times with our kids, and our entire family just absolutely loves going down to New Orleans. So when my daughter decided that she maybe wanted to have a 13th birthday party, I said, well, what kind of theme or what would you like to do? So we were trying to think of something that was cost-effective, fun. And here we are showing how tiny this little grape is. It was so funny. But we were trying to think of something that we could do at our house and her share her love of something. So she invited dance friends and school friends, and then I kind of looked up a bunch of different ideas. This year was the first year I did not make her birthday cake, which I'll show you at the end of this video. But to start out, we were prepping the food for the party. So the party was a sleepover. So I went ahead and I made a fruit tray. I made some mini muffaletta sandwiches, which are just a New Orleans favorite. It's like a couple different kinds of meat, and then there's a couple cheeses, and then I made mini sliders, which the girls absolutely loved. So here we are just piling in pineapple, grapes, and blueberries because I looked up every idea for the color scheme of purple, green, and yellow. So, and I have lots of little hands helping me too. So after this, I will show you guys my DIY, super quick, fake king cake, which the girls had for breakfast the next day. And then I'll show you guys how we put together the sandwiches. Enjoy the video. All right, so I popped this cinnamon roll ring into the oven, and then what I did was I mixed up a little extra icing with just a little bit of milk and powdered sugar because the amount of icing that was in there didn't seem like enough for me to get the sprinkles to really stick. So a king cake is normally a little bit time-consuming process where there's yeast involved and you have to wait for the dough to rise. And this party was scheduled. We decided to have a party very last minute, so it was literally like I had 5 days to figure out what we wanted to do. So I was like, ooh, I don't know if they would really love the king cake. We did not put the little plastic baby in there. It's supposed to be like a good luck thing. We didn't do that. But we did do the sprinkles, and you can see Caden, my little helper, has just dumped all the sprinkles out on the table, the green ones, but I did let him help me. So then we just go back with the 3 colors of sprinkles and we cover this thing in the sugar sprinkles, and the girls absolutely loved it, and it was really tasty actually. So really quick way to have a king cake, which with quotes, fake king cake, if you want to just have something fun for this Mardi Gras week. All right, so now we are going to prep these mini muffaletta sliders. these things are so good. So I normally make sliders with Hawaiian rolls just because they're really easy. So you'll see me just slice these rolls in half, and then I will start filling them with all of the meat and cheeses. And then I will list also what was in my topping that I brushed over the top of these. And then you just pop these into the oven until everything is all melted and the rolls have turned a nice golden brown. And then you're able to slice those up and serve those on a tray. And the girls loved these. Like, I wasn't sure how many to make, but they absolutely loved them. And I was really excited that they were all willing to try something that maybe they hadn't tried before. I also did not add the usually you add like a pepper mix on top. We left that out because that was the one thing I knew they'd probably all be like, what is this? So I went ahead and left that off. But go ahead and watch me make these bad boys up, and I hope you try them today. I will link the recipe for these down below in the description for you. Don't those look so tasty? So real quick, we had some other treats from New Orleans. We had Zapp's chips, which are amazing. Get the voodoo style if you want to try them. We also had someone come and make beignets on site. And then I also ordered really cool macaroons, had some decorations, and then also I ordered the cake for the first time ever. Usually it's something I make. But the girls had a blast and it was awesome, and I hope you guys have an awesome Mardi Gras week.